Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read a letter to friend telling him about exhibition held in your school. Let's get started. First, write examination hall, then write the name of your city and write the date. Dear Ahmed, now start the letter. I hope you are doing well. I am writing this letter to tell you about science exhibition took place in our school. Exhibition was arranged in the ground of school. There were many science projects which gave us information. Some students displayed handmade models like solar system, working of human heart and human body. I enjoyed the exhibition most. It was a wonderful experience. Pay my salam to all. Yours truly, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.